Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Before I get started with today's tutorial, I want to wish you guys happy Easter to you guys. I wish you all the best and I wish you more success and more great things will happen in your life in Jesus' name. Thank you very much. So, in today's tutorial, as you can see, I'm in the dashboard of my Reddit account. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you and explain to you step by step how to run ads on Reddit. So the first thing is create a Reddit account. After creating a Reddit account, you should add all the necessary details required. It is self-explanatory. Follow it, guys. Very good. And by the way, Reddit sign up link is going to be in my video description. Do check it out to sign up now on Reddit and get started immediately. Very good. So once you create your Reddit account successfully, the profile, you have to add your logo, add some social media pages here. As you can see, I added my YouTube, Linktree, Instagram, Tumblr, Vimeo. So after that, then you will post. If you wish to post, then you're going to post. So for now, I'm not going to post anything because this video is just based on tutorial. So guys, on the right corner, okay, right now to me, it's my right corner on the screen. So on the right corner here, right beside your profile, you're going to see this advertise. You're going to see this campaign button. So you're going to click on advertise and it's going to open a new tab. It's going to ask you to fill in some necessary details. You're going to add your brand name, your website, everything. You're going to add them there, guys. Very good. So this is the section whereby you are going to get to. As you can see, I have not set up any ads and I have not run any ads here. And when I click on this button earlier, I got you have earned $100 in ad credit. So this fee, if I actually link my payment method to this Reddit account, I'll automatically be able to use $100 to run ads here on Reddit. So very good. Let's get started, guys. Let's make it much more spicy. Very good. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on create a campaign. Once you click on create a campaign, I'm going to wait for it to load. It's going to take just few seconds. So 1 minute. So once it's done loading, as you can see, drive traffic to your website within a 3-step ad creation experience. Build a robust campaign. Build a robust campaign with advanced tools and features. So guys, what we want to work on today right now is website traffic. So you're going to click on simply create, this button right here, the first button. Click on it. As you can see, guys, everything is straightforward. And the first thing I'm going to see is how you can also select an existing post for your post from your post library. And I don't have any right now. So okay, let's see. I'll check my system now. I'll pick some product images or some images or banners. I'm going to pick it, then I'm going to add a description, then I'm going to add a website link, then I'm going to add call to action. I hope you understand what the concept call to action means, guys. The concept call to action, okay, yeah. So guys, the concept call to action, as you can see, sign up, view more, shop now. So the call to action I'm going to use is shop now, and I'm going to allow comments. Yeah. So the next thing is I'm going to fill this now. So kindly hold on. Thank you. So the 3 step is creative, targeting and delivery. Then the last but not the least steps in every ad on all social media accounts is payment gateway. You have to link a payment method to activate the ads within 24 hours. So guys, hold on and stay tuned. Thank you. So guys, I picked a affiliate link I got from ClickBank, as you can see, Pudentum, and I picked the product. I got the image, I get the link, and as you can see, I added it in the ad here, and I added a little bit content that says something about the product. As you can see, triple-dented, a unique blend of 3.5 billion potency strain and nutrients, backed by clinical researches. click on the link below. So guys, as you can see, I just added my description, which I call my or add text. So the next thing is to move to the next stage, target and delivery. So let's say target, I'm going to target United States and some European countries as well. So guys, once I click on this box, I'm going to see the options of the countries that we have in the world, and I'm going to search for United States. Okay, let's see, I passed G just now, so I'm going to add Germany because I said I want to add one European country. Okay, let me just add Greece. I think people purchase something online very well as well from there. And the next country I'm going to add now is United States. So United States, then United Kingdom. So why I want to add this country, I know I am on a high rate of people buy online, and I believe I will get more conversions through this targeted audience. Run ads continuously starting today. So guys, don't make any mistake in this section. Do not click on run ads continuously if you are not running the ads for an organization. If it's your own personal ads, guys, I advise you add your own ad schedule. As you can see, today is 9th April 2023. I'm going to run these ads till okay, sorry, 1 minute. I want to scroll it down a little bit. Yeah, so good. So I want to run this ad from now till let's say May, no, April. Okay, let's say today is actually Sunday, so I'm going to look for an option here and I'm going to add it. Or let's just say I want to run this ad till May 1. So about it's a very, very long period actually. So I'm just doing that. I'm not really live in the ad. So guys, this is, you will spend up to $60 per day, as you can see. So on daily ads budget, I'm going to reduce it to $5, and as you can see, bytes per click. So they are charging some extra $1 on that. So the next thing is to add payment method. Okay, offer successfully applied. You have received $100 few ads credit. As you can see guys, this is totally legit. If I link my payment method now, I'm going to activate this right now. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I'm going to try this, and if I try it successfully without any issue, I'm going to show you in my next video the ads audience, the insight and the analytics of the ads. I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to wish you guys all good luck. Thank you very much for stopping by. Once again, my name is Emmanuel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it with all your friends, and let's keep earning in 2023. See you soon in the next video. Bye.